Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're in the right workspace and you understand why you're deleting it, to remove a saved layout and settings. Open Visual Studio Code and load the workspace file. Once done, save or stash any changes in your project, because deleting the workspace removes only the code workspace file, but you want to avoid losing tracked edits. Make sure the Explorer shows the workspace root. This confirms you're targeting the correct file before proceeding. Now find the code workspace file. Use File Open Recent or browse to its path in the Explorer panel. Right-click the workspace file and select Delete, or open your OS File Manager and remove it there. You're removing VS Code's saved window state and settings, not your project source, so double-check the file name. If the workspace was just a saved window for one or more folders, deleting the file won't delete the folders, which is why this step is safe if done correctly. To finish, close Visual Studio Code and reopen it to ensure the workspace no longer appears in Recent. If it still shows up, clear the Recent Workspaces list in Settings or remove the leftover path entries from the storage location. If you accidentally deleted the wrong code workspace, restore it from your backup right away. This recovers window layout and workspace settings. If VS Code behaves oddly after deletion, restart the app and check extensions. Sometimes a reload resolves residual state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.